Biscotti di Panna, a wonderful morning cookie or afternoon tea. This is what we will be preparing today for my dear friends as a take-home gift. Delicious.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers.
My love, you know the lemon? Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. This weekend I'm having a wonderful Sunday afternoon lunch with some friends, and I always love sending home a take-home gift for my guests. One of the cookies that I will be preparing for them is Biscotti di Panna, which is a wonderful morning cookie or afternoon tea cookie. Delicious. I know they're going to love it. Now let's get started. We'll start by preparing the cream. We're going to begin by adding 200 milliliters of cream. We're going to allow the cream to heat up just slightly. Turn your stove off and add 1.5 teaspoons of ammonia. A nice mix, and we're going to let everything dissolve for at least 10 minutes. We're going to begin with the wet. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean extract. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now that it's pale yellow, stop your mixer and add the cream and ammonia mixture. There we are. And do a scrape down. The wet ingredients is done. Now we can begin with the dry. You will need 3 1/3 of 00 flour. It's very important that you sift your flour before you measure it out. Flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch. This is what's going to give us our sharp edges. A pinch of salt. Mix thoroughly. Ready to add the dry to the wet, a tablespoon at a time. It was a little bit too sticky for my liking, so I added an additional 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to see if we need more. The cookie dough is ready. Divide your cookie dough into 2 portions and wrap them up in plastic wrap. 1 and 2 in the refrigerator for half an hour. I've started preparing my biscotti di panna. Roll out your dough, big biscottis. Of course, you can make them smaller if you like. This ring is 3.5 inches. We're just going to press out our biscotti di panna. 1/2 inch cutter in the center of the cookie. There we are. We're going to re-roll this excess dough on my parchment lined baking sheet. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our batch is ready to be baked off in the oven, 15 to 17 minutes. These cookies will turn golden brown. That's how you'll know they're ready. So very pleased the way my biscotti di panna baked off, and I'm going to say it if you can only smell my kitchen. I'm going to allow them to cool, and then I'm going to taste one for you. I know my friends are going to love these. I'm so pleased the way they turned out. They're beautiful. I'm going to taste one for you. Let's cut it in half. Perfect. My friends, on Monday morning when they wake up and have these wonderful cookies with their morning coffee, they're going to love me.
Hi there, here we are back having another of Carolina's dessert, lemon ricotta, biscotto alla panna. Simply delicious. Very, very good. And yours? Nothing too sweet, but very creamy. I do taste la panna for sure. You know what, this would be perfect for a cappuccino in the morning. Even
Yes.
for dunking, it's absolutely
They're breakfast
perfect.
cookies.
Very, very good. Perfect.
Thank you, ladies.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Now, thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. I really do hope you will give this cookie a try. It's out of this world. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao.